I use Indian spices for this dish, and it will be slightly thicker than risotto. I cannot categorize it, but this is very tasty, not to mention healthy. Well, as if there aren't enough lentils already, I'm going to sprinkle crispy lentils on the top. Give them a gentle whack to bust the skin and to speed up the cooking time. This gives difference. Non-crushed whole garlic cloves will take you 10 more minutes of cooking time. When properly cooked, this tastes sweet like roasted garlic. Crushing the seeds before cooking will enhance the flavor. Once boiling, turn the heat down to a simmer. Put the lid back on, and from this point on, cook for 20 minutes. Halfway through, I add some bulgur. Bulgur is parboiled wheat, and it will add a nice texture. Add a few more tablespoons of water, put the lid back on to continue cooking. Meanwhile, I make crispy lentils to give some crunchiness to the dish. This will take only a couple of minutes. This can burn within the blink of an eye. Pay attention to the color. As soon as it starts to brown a bit, like this, take the pan off the heat. I will continue cooking till move to a kitchen towel. Try this dish and let me know how it went. Thank you for watching.